Alright, yo, what is going on, guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm here on my brand new HCF server, and if you guys didn't already know, which I know most of you guys probably didn't know, if any of you at all did know, then that's pretty cool, but I do actually own an HCF server now. Now, I'm not actually owner, but I am a partner, so I am going to be uploading here on this HCF server from now on. I'm going to be uploading on here pretty often, and I'm basically just trying to get into the HCF scene because it's a really fun game mode and I really want to start uploading on here more. So we're starting off here on Ox PvP and we're going to try and expand and get farther and farther, and maybe one day we'll even get partnered on a server like Cave PvP or Viper MC or something like that. So yeah, basically in today's video I am just going to be getting started and basically showing you guys everything on the kitmap server. There's currently 6 people online though, so make sure you guys come show some support and come play. The IP is oxpvp.com, and there will be a start of the world very soon this coming weekend, I believe, so you guys should definitely come play that. The Discord link and everything will be down below in the description for you guys to come play with me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video, but make sure that you guys do drop a like. Let's go for 60 likes on today's video. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to go for 5k by the end of the year. I know we could definitely hit it, and also make sure you guys comment something nice down below. Come play the server with me, like I said, oxpvp.com, and let's go ahead and check out my brand new HCF server. Alright guys, so we have 2 realms on my server. There's kits, which is kitmap, and squads, which is the actual hardcore factions. So kits is where you fight other players using a variety of fun and custom abilities, or kits, sorry, with different abilities. There's currently 5 people on there. And then on the squads, which is the HCF, you could create a team with other players and compete with other factions to become the best. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop on kits. Let's go ahead and check this out. So I have logged on here already, and basically it's like factions but hardcore. So I can do such F. Let's do such F create goble. So we'll go ahead and do that. And basically you guys just make your faction, deposit your money. You have these different kits here. So the bard kit basically automatically gives you, if I warm it up right there, as you guys can see that the warm-up timer is on right here, and in just a couple of seconds right now, as you guys will see, I will gain some effects. So I do have speed 2, regeneration 2, and resistance 2. So basically what this does is all of these different items give your other faction members effects. So let's say that I was holding this, these 3, and basically it gives all my faction members, like this right here, gives you resistance, strength, speed, jump boost. This can wither people, give people wither, and this is fire res. So let's say that I'm holding this jump boost. If you come right out here, as you guys can see, I will get jump boost for myself, and then if I right click it, it says that you do need 40 energy for that, but if I right click this one, for example, I do get speed 3. So there we go, now I have speed 3. So it's actually pretty cool. You could give your faction members effects. So it is a really good kit to use and to have, so that you guys could actually be able to give your teammates some effects. So this is actually pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and head into the spawn, and then we will go ahead and check out some of the other kits that I have seen on here, as I'm assuming most of you guys probably haven't played HCF before, and then we'll get into some of the action after that. Alright guys, so the next kit is the Archer kit, and if I do go ahead and pop this, there is a 10-second warm-up once again. So we're going to go ahead and put on the Archer kit, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. So basically, I'm going to have this guy up here actually come out with me. So let me go ahead and get that sorted out. But basically, as you guys can see, I have speed 3 and resistance 3. So let me message him. Let me, 1 second guys. Alright guys, so with the Archer tag, as you guys can see, so when I walk out here, you can see this guy. If I pull my bow all the way back and tag him, you guys can see that there's an Archer tag. So it Archer tags him for 10 seconds. The name above his head is red, and it does 25% more damage. So if I were to fight him, I could do a lot more damage. So yeah, basically what it does is it just does some more damage to them, and if I Archer tag him, it basically just makes you do 25% more damage. So if you are with a team of some diamonds, like if there's some other diamond armor people with the diamond kit on your team, you could bow them, and then the diamonds will do 25% more damage. So that's pretty cool. Now let's check out the builder, or the rogue class, and then the builder class is, you know, pretty basic. So yeah. Alright guys, so the next class is actually the Rogue class, and as you guys can see, I'm in a full set of chainmail armor with some gold swords. So as you guys can see, there is speed 3, jump boost 3, and resistance 3, so if I hit this guy, Boom. I just backstabbed him. That does 4 hearts of damage. So let's say I did it again, it would do another 4 hearts. It doesn't matter what armor they have. They could have protection 5. It still does 4 hearts, which the max amount that you can have is 2 hearts here on HGF, or 2 P2, prop 2 on HGF. So yeah, and also guys, I didn't show you guys this, but also for the archer class, this one gives you speed 4, which normally on most servers it gives you speed 5. So basically you pop this, you right click the sugar and it'll give you speed 4 or speed 5. And then right here it gives you jump boost 5. And there is a 1-minute cooldown on each of those. There should be at least. Yeah, there's a 1-minute cooldown. So yeah, so basically what I could do is I could go ahead and backstab this guy. So let's say I wanted to fight him. I could get behind him and try and backstab him, maybe, if I'm a good player. You see, guys, when I'm on a laptop, I'm very bad at this, so it's kind of a pain to do. I'm just trying to backstab you, bro. So look, let's say I'm fighting him. My hands are very cold right now, so I really can't PvP. Say I'm PvPing him though, and then I pro behind him, and I backstab. There we go, just did 4 hearts of damage. So basically, it's kind of hard to do it whenever you're in rogue, because they do so much more damage. But if you could get behind them for long enough, or sneak up behind them and backstab them, that's really the best way to do it. If you're fighting someone and they're in diamond, and you just walk up behind them and backstab them, that's really the best way to do it. And yeah, we basically just fought that guy. So now I'm just going to go into the diamond kit and just do some normal PvP, like some Skybridge PvP and stuff like that. It should be pretty interesting, so yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so this guy does have better stuff than me, because he's using special donator armor that's like protection 2, and I'm currently in the protection 1, which is the free kit here on kits. But okay, well, okay, well, I wasn't paying attention to my arts there. Anyways, so basically what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna pop a diamond kit, and we're just gonna try and bait him up the sky bridge, go kill him that way. So yeah, let's do that. Let's get. I think I'm gonna get my good stuff out because I never really played this kit map. So we're gonna go ahead and get out the big guns, the protection 3 armor. So we're gonna go ahead and get out the protection 3 and the protection 2. Let's go ahead and toss out all of that. Go ahead and put on the protection 3, and we'll go ahead and get the we'll get some golden apples, and then we will get. Okay, that's all we're gonna get. Alright, so we're gonna go fight this guy now. Let's fight him. Let's hit him some. Alright, now let's run off. The Skybridge. Come on, bro. Okay. This might really be a bad decision, but oh, if he dies, then we get his stuff, and that would be good. Okay, well, he didn't die. So, what I'm gonna do, there we go. Alright, and then if we just do this, we should be able to kill him. Oh, okay. That was good. Alright, I didn't want to die. So, we do have Feather Falling 4 and Protection 3, so we shouldn't die, but yeah, it's kind of scary. So, let's get back up the Sky Bridge. Hey guys, well, we were just fighting him, but I kind of fell, so, and he did as well. So, I'm fighting him right now, and I just don't want to quick drop, so, but I also don't want to pot him, really. So, I'm trying to keep up the pressure, but I don't want to quick drop at the same time. But this guy is a staff member as well, so I have my best armor right now. This is kind of bad. kind of getting destroyed right now. I gotta be honest. So, yeah, I kind of want to... Bye. Do. Let's go up. Let's keep going up. Oh, he just fell. Okay. Splash that. Drink this. Okay. We've got some time. Not much time. There we go. He's dead! He's dead! For sure. We got all this good stuff, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I just got all the good stuff. We got all the good stuff, boys. Holy crap, we just got all the good stuff. I need to get out of here. We just got protection 3, full protection 3, sharpness 3, and an exotic bone, combo abilities, anti-redstones, everything. Guys, we are stacked. Alright guys, so I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun recording it, to be completely honest. So we're going to go ahead and end off today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure that you guys drop a like. Let's go for 60 likes on today's video if you guys do end up enjoying it. Also, make sure you guys subscribe because I do want to hit 5K by the end of the year. So make sure you guys do that. And make sure that you guys also comment something nice down below and come play the server with me. pvpwars.com is the IP. This is my brand new HCF server and I really cannot wait to play with you guys. The SOTW should be this weekend, so make sure that you guys join the Discord for more information. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all and peace.